Very good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Satya Eval. So today we are going to see how to register for Infosys Summer of Ideas. So this event is nothing but it's a very simple event which is about to make you to exchange your ideas. That is during this pandemic situation. So many colleges have been participating in this event. You can share your ideas and you can explore digital tools. You can learn many things and you can enrich your learning experience. So coming back to this, so to participate in the summer of ideas, first thing we have to do is we have to do the basic registration. For registering in this event, share you the link. This is the link for registering in this event. So just click on to this link, infosys.com/summer of ideas.html. So now we have clicked this link. Now we are going back to the registration. So click apply now. So after clicking apply now, enter your first name. So for example, I'm going to do the registration. I'm going to enter my name, Satya. Last name is Raj, and my initial and my email ID, and then mobile number, then country, then university name, Anna University. Enter your academic concentration, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering, and then after entering that, your year of passing and month. So first enter your month as May. Year is for final year you can enter 2021, and for third years you can enter 2022. Then click submit. Your registration process is over. So after this registration process, what you're going to do is you're going to create an abstract with respect to these kind of technologies, that is Internet of Things, cyber security, blockchain, all those business management technologies and liberal arts. So among this you can select any one of the technology. You can prepare the abstract of your own and then you can send it. So thank you for your registration. The registration registered data has been come to our email. Just check your inbox. Mail has been received. What are the benefits in participating in this event? So the benefits are nothing but to increase your confidence and to make you to learn online, which is a unique platform for learning, and to share your knowledge and to get more connected with the industry person, since they after selecting after your abstract has been shortlisted, so they will assign you an industry mentor. So after assigning industry mentor, you can start up with your project. So this will be a unique platform for the final year students as well as third year students when you face the interview for the Infosys during your placement process. So thank you so much. Participate in this event. Good luck.